Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your physician. In our last video, we met the two main branches of your immune army, the Rapid Response Innate Team and the Specialized Adaptive Forces. Today, we're zooming in on one of the adaptive system's most powerful weapons. We're entering the amazing world of antibodies, your body's custom-made tags that mark invaders for destruction. Let's see how they're made and how they work. Inside your body right now, there's an incredible intelligence system at work. It can identify dangerous invaders, create custom-made weapons to neutralize them, and remember every single one forever. The key players in this system? Antibodies, your body's smart tags for destruction. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're exploring the amazing world of antibodies. So what exactly are antibodies? Imagine each germ has a unique shape like a key. Your body creates antibodies that are the perfect lock for that specific key. These Y-shaped proteins are custom-made to fit one and only one type of invader. They're like specialized barcodes that mark germs for destruction. Antibodies are produced in factories called B cells. When a new invader is detected, your immune system selects the B cell that can make the closest matching antibody. That B cell then goes into mass production, creating millions of identical antibodies specifically designed for that one germ. Here's where the magic happens. Antibodies don't usually destroy germs themselves. Instead, they latch onto the invader's surface, effectively tagging it with a bright "Eat Me" signal. This process is called opsonization, making the germ more delicious to other immune cells. Once tagged, the cleanup crew arrives. Cells called macrophages and phagocytes, which means big eaters, recognize the antibody tags and swallow the marked invaders whole. It's like having a cleanup crew that only removes items with specific trash tags. Some antibodies work more directly. They can neutralize toxins by binding to them, making them harmless. Or they can coat viruses to prevent them from entering your cells, like putting glue on a key so it can't fit into a lock. After the infection is cleared, some B cells become memory cells. These cells remember the exact antibody blueprint forever. If the same germ invades again years later, they can produce targeted antibodies within hours instead of days. This is why you typically don't get the same illness twice. This memory system is exactly how vaccines work. Vaccines safely introduce a germs wanted poster to your immune system. Your B cells create antibodies and memory cells without you getting sick. Then if the real germ ever attacks, your body is ready with instant protection. So to recap, antibodies are Y-shaped proteins that act as custom tags. B cells produce them, they mark invaders for destruction, and memory cells remember the blueprints for life. It's an incredibly precise system that protects you every day. The next time you recover from an illness, remember the incredible antibody army that fought for you. If you enjoyed this journey into your immune system, subscribe to the Health Sketchpad and share this video with someone who'd find it fascinating. Stay curious and stay healthy.